Okay, this was Friday, New Mexico, I-40 East at 6:56, 7 o'clock, 8:23, Friday morning. UPS is trying to come up on me, trying to make me a squish sandwich. I was doing 70. It dropped down to 54 miles an hour.
And you're as much as I have.
From PBS NewsHour, Student Reporting Labs, this is Sabrina Tillman.
Got it. Now on.
Guy that's scamming, he deserves it. You know, or you just have someone that's straight racist that's watching this and, oh, there's always scammer. They're all Yahoo boys, and then they just reinforce their own biases. A probe like a network.
I'm calling Mr. Yeah, he's aware. Yeah, he's aware.
Wreck out, roll over, send it 1016, he's in the eastbound lane. Correction, westbound lane.
Hey, can you hear me?
stupid.
I'm in the dirt.
No, you're not.
I'm in the dirt.
You follow the rules.
I'm not on
you
the.
weren't. You blew through that car almost. Hey, you
No, it
dumb
didn't.
Shit.
No, it didn't.
I was right behind
I'm
you.
in the dirt. You understand that I'm in the dirt?
You're not.
Yeah,
You
I
have to
am in
follow
the dirt.
rules. You
I'm
weren't.
on the right side of the
You're
path.
not. You know what?
So,
check the front
Let
plate,
me
you dumb shit.
let me ask you something. Why can't people mind their own business?
Mine no, but you almost caused a accident. I was right behind
Oh my
you.
God, that was almost an accident. Oh my God, you're right.
You know what?
Oh my God.
I'm going to Tisbury. I'm gonna get the.
Oh, get the call the police. You're virtuous. You're virtuous.
Guess what? I'm a first responder. You dumb shit. I can
Oh.
kill you retards.
Oh my God, you convinced me. If you're a first responder, then
I have to peel you guys off the.
if you're a first responder, oh, he is a firefighter, and what he's doing is cutting over to the right to try and hit me. Woo, man, you want to ram me, brother? You want to ram me and cut to the right?
I went nowhere.
Oh yeah. Dude, look at this.
Yeah, and there's one pointed back too.
Yeah.
Check it.
Yeah, I ran the stop sign.
You ran the
Oh my God. This is, I didn't know that. This is funny as hell. What? I'm Lucas. What's your name?
My name is Colin Cam at Tisbury Fire. I'm going to the police station.
All right, well, go to the police station.
I'll see you then.
Hold on. I'll give you something to complain about.